The parrot who copied everyone. In a jungle full of echoes, one parrot finally discovers that the truest sound is the one that only he can make. He repeated everything. Cool owl copied his hoot. Wise turtle quoted him word for word. Even stole a punchline from a passing duck. He sounded smart. He sounded funny. But deep down, he didn't sound like himself. Then one day, he said something totally random. Bananas are just pajamas for fruit. Everyone blinked, then laughed. Hard. Turns out, his weird voice? Way more fun. Imitation is a start. Weird is the upgrade. So what's your weird? Don't just echo the world. Sing your own tune. Subscribe for more tail-tweaking tales.